So the main advantage you're going to get from this particular schedule is that you'll not have any weekly deadlines. So no short-term deadlines in order to allow you perform at your own pace, which will definitely enhance your preparation, take my word. Hi, hope you're all doing good. Are you feeling monotonous in your preparation? Are you bored? Do you feel like you need a better schedule? Do you think you can still improve your efficiency by giving your best, by following certain strategies during your preparation? So I'm coming up with a new idea, Project Zeus. In fact, Zeus is the Greek name for the king of gods. So this Project Zeus encompasses a unique schedule wherein we'll be dividing all subjects into 5 categories, and each of the categories is named after a Greek alphabet: alpha, beta, gamma, delta and epsilon. And if you look into the screen, each alphabet, as I said, is designated name of a particular category and includes the following subject. Alpha category includes DOH, anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. Beta category includes dental materials, pharmacology, microbiology and pathology. Gamma includes general medicine, general surgery, oral path and oral medicine. Delta includes conservative, endodontics, periodontics and prosthodontics part 1, whereas epsilon includes prosthodontics part 2, periodontics, orthodontics and public health dentistry. So each of this category will be focused in one particular month as per the schedule. So we'll be dealing with alpha category in the month of June, beta in the month of July, gamma in the month of August, delta in the month of September and epsilon in the month of October. So 5 months, 5 categories, will be completing all dental subjects revision once. And in the month of November, we'll be focusing exclusively on revision. So depending upon the time of exam, so you'll have time till the date of exam for revision. It can be November plus December if the exam is in Jan, but if the exam is in December, then you'll have the entire month of November for second revision of all the subjects. So this is a new schedule which I am coming up. The reason why I said it's unique is you will not have any weekly targets, you will not have any weekly deadlines. So you're having this increased flexibility because each month you will have this wide range of subjects depending upon the category that is allotted in that particular month, and you'll have complete flexibility to cover any subject based on your choice. So you'll be given access to all these subjects. Take for example alpha category in the month of June, so you'll be given access to all e-classes videos and tests from these subjects. So you can take up any test from the given subjects in alpha category anytime based on your convenience, but all you need to do is just complete these subjects in the month of June. Similarly July, August, September, so there is no weekly target or weekly deadline. So that's the main advantage you'll have with this new unique schedule. Increased flexibility, so you'll have freedom to choose any subject at random. The reason why I'm saying this is advantageous to you is you'll not feel bored, you'll not feel monotonous, and you'll be going through various subjects, right, at your convenience. The objective of this course is to empower you and to allow you to make maximum use of the available time with enhanced schedule with greater flexibility, and this helps you to remove any unnecessary unwanted stress from your preparation. And believe me, we're going to have numerous discussions as per your schedule. In fact, you'll be coming across 3 or 4 different subjects every week, so it's like comprehensive evaluation of all the subjects. Ultimately, as I mentioned in one of the previous live sessions, you cannot see each separate subject as a segregated entity. So all of these are more or less involved, intermingled and interlinked. So if you have this comprehensive approach, if you deal with multiple subjects and try linking them up, then you'll be able to answer any question with ease and confidence, take my word. So welcome to Project Zeus, and For any further queries and for further details regarding the same, you can drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. Wish you all the best. Love you all.